Hi, this is James from Hornbill Technical Support. This is a short video on how inbound emails are processed within Supportworks. As you can see here, I'm using the 7.5.0 Enterprise client, which is Service Pack 3. So I'm going to go to the Supportworks Server Configuration tool, which will allow you to set all your particular settings for email for incoming messages. So we have the system mailboxes here where you'd set up your shared mailbox. In the services, you'd usually configure a protocol to allow email to come into your Supportworks mailbox via your Exchange. So you can see here there's two options for POP3 and IMAP. You simply need to specify the server username and password. It's very similar for the IMAP4 connection. Once that connector has been set up, emails are processed into the routing rules. So you can set up these. By default, there is a rule to check the subject. The reason for this is because there is functionality in Supportworks to automatically log calls and also to move emails into a particular folder. So in these particular email routing rules here, it's looking for the question mark, and then the percentage sign is just a wildcard, so anything after including the question mark will be processed as you can see here, autoresponder request. There's also an option here to forward the particular message onto either a different mailbox or a separate folder. So once you've configured your email routing rules, you would then process this. If it doesn't match any of these rules here, it will process as a standard email and go into your mailbox inbox folder. If it does process as a autoresponder, then it will try and follow these rules here. There'll be a separate video to show you about each of these individual rules and how they are configured, but as a general overview, it will check these rules top to bottom. So in this particular case, it will check the log new call rule, and each of these conditions within here, it would need to match these conditions from the email. In this particular case, it tries to check for the word log call within the subject. So similarly to the log call, the update call looks for the word update call. So these may need to be tailored in order for the autoresponder to work correctly for your particular version, but that's a general overview of how the inbound email works.